How to move USDT from Bitget to Quotex easily? Hey guys, today I will show you how to move USDT from Bitget to Quotex easily. Let's break this down step by step. First, open your Quotex app and log into your account. Once you're in, go to account and click on deposit option. You'll see various payment methods. Scroll down until you find USDT BAP20 and select it. Now pay attention to the details here. The minimum deposit amount is $20. So enter exactly $20 or more. This is crucial because Quotex requires you to deposit the exact amount you specify. After entering your amount, scroll down further and note these important points. You must use the BAP20 network when transferring, otherwise, your funds could be lost. Also, the address provided is for single use only. Don't try to make multiple transactions to the same address. Once you've entered your amount, click deposit. The new screen will appear showing your USDT BAP20 address and confirming you're depositing $20. Carefully copy this address. Now switch to your Bitget app, go to Assets section, click on Withdraw, then select On-Chain Withdraw, choose USDT from the list. Paste the Quotex address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Now here's where people often make mistakes. Select BAP20 as your network to match what Quotex requires. Enter the exact amount you specified in Quotex, in our case $20. Be aware that transaction fees may apply, so if Bitget shows you'll receive less than $20, adjust your amount accordingly to ensure Quotex gets the full $20. After verifying everything is correct, click withdraw. You'll need to enter your security verification code, which will be sent to your email or phone. Once submitted, wait 12 minutes for processing. In Quotex, you'll see a waiting for payment status. Give it about 5 minutes for the transaction to complete. When you check back, your USDT should be successfully deposited. Please like and subscribe.